Good day everyone. Welcome to the second part of HTML, that is basic tags and format of an HTML page. Okay. So firstly let's get into this example. This is a code for a simple web page. So how it is written? Let's see. When we look into this, we can see each of the lines in this HTML code is written in between the angular brackets. That means everything is written inside this code is in the form of tags. So that's why we call this HTML as a markup language. So let's see what all things are written inside here. Doctype HTML is the first line in every or the basic tag of every first line tag of every web page. Then the second one is HTML. Then this tag is called head tag, and inside the head tag we can see another tag called a title. That means if we want to display something in our title bar of a web page, that thing or that content can be written inside this title tag. Since title tag is a subtag of the head tag, that is written always inside the head tag. Okay. So the next tag is body tag. Inside the body, we can see a lot of things are written inside. That means in order to display our web page or in order to design our web page contents, that things are always written inside the body part of the HTML code. Okay. So here we can see another tag, that is h1. H1 tag is opened and is closed here, and this tag indicates the size of the heading. Okay. This h1, not only this h1, this heading tag has got 6 different font size. Okay, that is h1, h2, h3, h4 and h5 and h6. There are 6 tags available. So inside, when we look into this line, we can see another tag here, that is the bold tag. That means if we are going to write something inside this tag, that will be displayed in bold font. Okay. So the next tag inside this body tag is HR. HR means horizontal rule. While we write this code, it will be displayed in the web page like a full length horizontal line. It doesn't need any closing tag. That's a specialty of this HR. And the next tag is P. P means it defines the paragraph. So if you want to write something in paragraph in our web page, we can include that content inside the paragraph tag. Also, we can see another tag here. What's that? U. That means something to be underlined. This is the underline tag. That means this is a paragraph element with underline tag. Okay. Underline, not underline tag, it's underline. That means if we want to mention or specifically mention something, we'll be doing some underlines or some special markings there. For underline, we use this underline tag. Then we can see a break tag here, which implies if we want to give a single line break to our web page, then we can use this break tag. And again we can see the paragraph tag. Inside this we can see another tag, that is I, that means italics. So welcome is to be written in the form of or to be displayed in the form of italic fonts. Okay, so that's all about the body contents. So when we all done in the body contents, we can close that and also our HTML. So this is a basic HTML code to develop a simple web page. So let's see what these basic tags and formatting tags indicates and how they are defined. Okay, so basic tags of an HTML. Tags are always basic, and also there are a lot of formatting tags available in HTML. So mainly basic tags include doc type, defines the document type. HTML defines an HTML document. Then head defines that means in head we can write something like client or server side scripting, because that is used always, that is filled always when we use the dynamic web page designing. Okay, so here we are using a static web page designing, so it doesn't have to include something inside this head tag. So the next one is title tag. Title indicates what the content is displayed in the title bar. In order to display something in our title bar, we can write that content inside this title tag. Also, we told that this title tag is a subtag of head tag. So the next one is body tag, which defines the body of a document or a web page. Okay. So H1 to H6 defines the heading of varied font sizes. The largest one is H1 and it will be decreasing, and with the least sizes given by this H6 tag. So while coding or while writing these things, you can change these heading tags with the available different tags from H1 to H6 and find the difference out each of this. Okay. So the next one is paragraph tag. This paragraph tag defines the paragraph. Then the next one is break, inserts a single line break. We already told that. Also HR defines a horizontal line. For both this break and HR, it doesn't need any closing tags. That's very important to keep in mind. Okay. So here we also use some other tags, special tags like B, U, I, etc. So they are called the formatting tags. Not only this, there are many more, but since we included here, we can mention them too. So bold defines the bold text, I defines the italic text, and U defines the underlined text. But these things are actually coming under the formatting tags in HTML, not as the basic tags. So this is the many more examples of formatting tags. Some of them are included here. Other than this B, U, I, we also have these things. Okay, so they are EM. EM tag defines this emphasized text. Okay, so the code tag defines a piece of program code. If you want to write a program code inside this HTML page, so that we can include that code, that program code inside this code tag. Okay, then the next one is delete tag. This defines the text that has been deleted from our document. Then strong defines the important text. If something is to be mentioned or to be looked seriously, we can show them as, or show them in the strong tag that will be displayed in that importance. Okay. Then a subtag, that means subscript text. If you want to write something in the subscript format, so we can use this tag. Then also for superscript, we have superscript tag. Then the next one is center, defines the horizontal center of the line. Normally the center is being used for what things are headings, because we always use the headings at the center of any type of pages, right? So the center is actually what is mainly defines the horizontal line of horizontal center of line. Okay, so that's all about the basic tags and formatting tags of a HTML page. So you just take your notepad and write this simple tag and then save it with .html or .htm extension and run it in the browser. You can see a very simple example of a simple web page. That's all. Thank you.